up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic. Today, got some V8 action for you. This is a 2021 BMW M8 Gran Coupe. It's a non-competition model, but man, it sounds way better than any M5 CS or any other M8 competition out there. This is because it's got our full exhaust system and then a set of secondary cat bypass pipes. This car still passes your normal OBD scan inspection, even having the secondary cats removed, which is nice. It's a nice way to get some extra sound but remain emissions compliant, which is great. And then the valve rear section combined with our unrestricted midsection, this car just sounds absolutely wicked. Tons of pops and cracks when you have the exhaust button opened, and really has a nice zap when you shift gears. So very, very enjoyable. These engines are just so potent. We were just talking earlier that you can basically download another 150 horsepower for these, which the customer is going to be doing shortly, but definitely important to free up the exhaust flow before doing those types of modifications. So a really great setup for those people who want to go full free flow with this setup. It's still extremely docile with the valves closed. Myself in drive here, and I'll take myself out of the M2 mode, but super docile in here. No drone in the cabin, absolutely no drone. Just because this might be someone's only like fast fun car, so you got to have that ultimate flexibility. Incredibly raw, aggressive sound when you want, and then a very docile experience when you don't. So the rev clips you guys will hear, the sound change is just biblical. It's wicked with how much flexibility this system gives you. So excited to get these out to people. This system fits the M8 Gran Coupes and the F90 M5s, but awesome system all the way around. Pops and cracks are just ridiculous. When the exhaust burns off and you get this nice color, it smells like Cinnabons. Let's get to the sound.